Today in review is Homde, a garage pegboard shelf organizer for your garage, tool room, work, anywhere you need. Comes in a nice box. As we get it out of the way, show you what you get with the instruction up parts list. All the materials are laid out there, the shelf and the pegboard. How to install? Very simple steps. Tape measure, screws, take the caps off the ends of the pegboard, use the bell caps. You're going to take the screw and the anchor and supply it to the back and drill on to your area. So as we put the bell cap, use a drill, we are going to screw our board to the panel. As we put all of them up, we are now ready to do our next install. We're going to hang all the pegs. They go on any way you want by lifting up, sliding in, and placing down firmly like so. You have many of them to put on your board. As we have them all up, we take the next thing, the shelf. We take the screws and the anchors. We place all 4 on or just 2, and we have 3 arms to put on as well. We'll give you a nice close-up shot how this slides on and locks into the bracket. As you see, we are adjusting to the areas we want. They slide into the center and they're going to lock into place very easy. Take your time, lock them in by giving a little pressure down, and then putting it on one side, left to right, and then take a tape measure, measure up where you want to put the next bracket, and align up with another bolt, and off you go. As I'm eye leveling it, I am screwing down just the 2 pieces in the rooms I have and putting on the next shelves. So as we're putting them on, we put all the shelves on, all the brackets on, and we are just about ready to show you that we're putting on a heavy vise holder. We have a power bank, all the tools on the board. It does a nice job holding anything you want. A drill, a tape measure, even a extension cord rope goes onto the hook over here. So there you have a nice pegboard holding all your tools, your drill, your rope, your power bank, your vice grip, everything you need to take off the peg, place it anywhere you want. I hope this is a product that you're looking for, that you could drill down permanently each of the pieces you want. If this pegboard and peg shelf is something you're looking for, I hope the product may be right for you.